Hi, and welcome back to Scratch. Today we're going to make a teriyaki sauce. If you'd like to support the channel, please like and share this recipe. For this, we'll need a half cup of soy sauce, a quarter cup of rice vinegar, a quarter cup of sugar, 2 tablespoons of cornstarch, a teaspoon each of ground ginger and onion powder, a tablespoon of minced garlic, a quarter cup of water, and optionally, a half teaspoon of red pepper flakes. We'll start by adding our half cup of soy sauce and our quarter cup of rice vinegar to a medium saucepan. Then we'll add a quarter cup of sugar, a teaspoon each of onion powder and ground ginger, with a tablespoon of minced garlic and a half teaspoon of red pepper flakes. We'll stir this together and set our stovetop to medium-high heat and allow this to come to a boil. While we're waiting on the contents of the saucepan to come to a boil, we're going to add 2 tablespoons of cornstarch to a quarter cup of water to make a cornstarch slurry. It's been about 6 minutes and the teriyaki base has started to come to a boil, so we're going to add our cornstarch slurry, stirring as we add it. This prevents the slurry from clumping. We'll continue to stir as it cooks and the sauce becomes more translucent. Once the sauce becomes fully translucent and develops a sheen, it's finished. We can then remove it from the heat and let it cool before serving. And remember, if you like the content, please subscribe.